Hello, guys. I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, right now, uh, when we thought that all the turmoil is over, when we thought that probably the Luna collapse, the Celsius collapse, the arrows capital collapse, the entire Bitcoin collapse, the entire crypto market collapse, followed by, obviously, it was preceded and followed both ways after the news of the war that broke out and the stock market collapse, the Fed raising the rates, the inflation. When we thought like things couldn't get worse, then we had the biggest FTX collapse where literally millions of people lost in total the billions of dollars. They never could have thought this is the way they are going to lose their money. Like probably people might think, okay, the cryptocurrency that I'm investing, the project might fail or somebody might hack my stuff. Never do you think that an entire exchange is going to, within one single day, is going to just stop your withdrawal and all your money is gone, right? And this is exactly what has happened, and literally a lot of people are in turmoil. And the Bitcoin price touching $15,500 when it should have been hovering around $25,000. Why? Because there was a little pivot within the inflation. That means slowly the macro environment will be getting slight better. But rather the FTX collapse did it. And then the turmoil continues. The pain continues to happen. What is the pain? Obviously the next thing that happened was the FTX was hacked by somebody and $300 million worth of crypto were stolen. And in fact it is being speculated that it was done by somebody insider, whoever that may be. That's when like slowly human beings have this habit of rejuvenating themselves, trying to resettle themselves. Another panic came into the market when that FTX hacker started dumping his ETH. And when Ethereum gets dumped, a lot of projects are related and associated with ETH, and they happen to be linked with that. When so much of the negative news, the scrutiny, people's skepticism, all that thing is happening, and on top of that, this is the last thing that we needed. And people are actually, they have lost the faith in the crypto. And let me tell you, these are the times when even the people who are long-term bullish, they are little scared to tell somebody that, okay, they are reluctant to say, okay, this is the best buying opportunity. Why? Because you have been saying it for a long time. And so is my case. But let me tell you guys, that is why, you might have heard, buy the fear, sell the greed. And this is how the fear and the extreme fear looks like. I'm not saying that this is the exact bottom. Maybe the reversal might happen from here, or maybe we'll see another leg down, but we are far closer to bottom than to the top. That is no arguing the fact. In the history of Bitcoin, this is one of the best prices to buy in. Why? Because if you see all the technical indicators, this is one of the most oversold zone. Now I would say, rather than trying to stop myself, I would say again, this is one of the best buying opportunity. This is what was happening, if you remember, when the Bitcoin touched $17,800. Everyone was like, oh my god, nobody should even talk about something like this, that okay, you go and buy the Bitcoin, right? You go and buy the crypto. But that's when the reversal happened, and then everyone thought, okay, now we are going to the moon. But obviously it went till $25,000. We saw a lot of rally, like 300% out of Matic, and like significant gains. And that's when the greed settled in. People started deploying more capital and stuff. But we should have known that probably we need to see the technical indicators and stuff. The long term, still the bearish environment remains, so we might be seeing the reversal from there. But this is how we human beings work. We are not designed to invest in the right way, which makes us profit. So we happen to deploy more when we should be starting to take the profit, and then we happen to pull out. Probably a lot of people might have capitulated that, okay, we are going below this level, that level, right? But this is the time. Let me tell you again, guys, this is the time. If you ever wanted to deploy more and was waiting for an opportunity, this is the opportunity. You might get another opportunity, another leg down, that's again the opportunity, but this is the opportunity. I want to be I want to be saying things not to please people, but rather I would want to say things that is going to help my subscribers, that is going to help our community. So we are in a highly oversold zone right now, one of the best buying opportunities. We have seen some of the biggest turmoils that could have happened. Probably we all can utilize this opportunity, and if we had more cash to deploy, one of the great opportunities to deploy right now. So that's it, guys, for the video. I hope that you find it helpful. Smash the like button, subscribe to our channel if you have not already. I would like to know your opinion. What do you feel? Is this a great buying opportunity, or is the crypto done, or whether people should sell it now, or probably people who have already sold it earlier, they should wait more downfall? What do you think? What do you believe? Or probably we need to start DCAing further capital. Like if we have further capital to deploy, then try to DCA. And if we do not have the capital to deploy, just wait for the things to turn around. This is one of the worst time to be selling. Let me know your opinion. I would like to read. Thanks a lot. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.